Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting curls. First, ensure your hair is completely clean and dry before you begin. This provides the best foundation for curls that hold. Next, always apply a generous amount of heat protectant spray to every section of your hair. This not only shields your strands from damage, but also helps the curls set better. Finally, select a curling iron or wand that matches the size of the curl you desire, typically 1 inch to 1.5 inches for classic curls. Now, let's dive into the curling technique itself. Divide your hair into small, manageable sections, ideally about 1 inch to 2 inches wide. This ensures even heat distribution and better curl formation. When curling, always direct the hair away from your face. This creates a more flattering and natural-looking style. Hold each curl around the barrel for approximately 10 to 15 seconds, allowing the heat to fully penetrate, and shape the strand before gently releasing it. The secret to long-lasting curls often lies in how you set them. As soon as you release a curl from the iron, gently re-roll it and pin it to your scalp. This allows the curl to cool completely in its desired shape, which is crucial for its hold. Let these pinned curls cool for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes, or even longer if you have the time. Once cooled, remove the pins and lightly mist with a flexible hold hairspray for added staying power. For the final touches that ensure your curls last, resist the urge to brush them out immediately. Instead, gently separate the curls using just your fingers to maintain their definition and bounce. Throughout the day, try to avoid touching your hair too much, as this can cause the curls to fall or frizz. For overnight preservation, consider sleeping on a smooth silk or satin pillowcase. This reduces friction and helps keep your beautiful curls intact for days.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.